New feature alert, TMDL view in Power BI is now generally available. Gain full control and visibility over your semantic models with a modern, code-first editing experience using the human-friendly Tabular Model Definition Language, TMDL. Here's what's new. Enhanced Code Editor. Enjoy syntax highlighting for DAX and Power Query, helpful tooltips, auto-formatting, and quick code actions, similar to the TMDL Visual Studio Code extension. TMDL Diff View. Review and compare changes before applying them for safer, more transparent updates. Smarter usability. Drag and drop sections and intuitive UI upgrades make editing faster and easier. Stronger robustness. Power BI Desktop is now hardened to open and edit any semantic model, enabling seamless collaboration with external tools, code files, or AI-powered edits. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.